What's up everyone, and welcome back to the channel. It's great to have you here. Today we're diving into a topic that I get asked about all the time, supplements. Now let's be clear right from the start. A healthy, balanced diet is always the #1 priority. You absolutely cannot supplement your way out of a poor diet. But let's be realistic. Even with the best intentions, our modern diets can sometimes fall short. Think of supplements not as a replacement, but as an insurance policy for your health. That's why today I want to cut through the noise and simplify things. We're going to focus on the heavy hitters, the foundational supplements that have strong scientific backing. In this video, I'm breaking down my top 3 essential supplements that almost everyone should consider taking. So grab a notepad and let's get into it. Alright, let's kick things off with the absolute cornerstone of any supplement regimen, a good quality multivitamin. I know it might not sound as exciting as other supplements you hear about, but I like to think of a multivitamin as that nutritional safety net. It's designed to fill in the minor but potentially significant gaps that can exist even in a relatively healthy diet. Think about the sheer complexity of your body. Every second, millions of biochemical reactions are taking place. These reactions are dependent on a wide array of vitamins and minerals acting as cofactors. Take B vitamins, for example. This group is crucial for converting the food you eat into usable energy. If you're feeling perpetually tired, it could be a sign that your energy metabolism isn't running efficiently. Then you have minerals like magnesium, involved in over 300 enzymatic reactions, including muscle function, nerve signaling, and blood sugar control. Many people are unknowingly deficient. Multivitamins also provide antioxidants like vitamin C and E, which help protect your cells from oxidative stress, damage caused by unstable molecules called free radicals. Over time, this damage is linked to aging and chronic diseases. Next up, let's talk about something that's critical for your heart, your brain, and even your joints: omega-3 fatty acids, specifically EPA and DHA, primarily found in fatty fish. While our bodies can convert some plant-based omega-3s into EPA and DHA, the conversion process is notoriously inefficient. This means getting enough from diet alone is challenging unless you're eating fatty fish multiple times a week. The evidence supporting omega-3s for cardiovascular health is incredibly strong. They can help lower triglycerides, have a mild blood-thinning effect, and reduce blood pressure. Most importantly, omega-3s have powerful anti-inflammatory properties. Your brain is about 60% fat, and a significant portion is DHA. This fatty acid is critical for maintaining communication between brain cells, fundamental for memory, learning, and cognitive function. Those same anti-inflammatory properties also work wonders for your joints, helping to reduce joint pain, stiffness, and swelling for some individuals. Our third essential supplement is vitamin D, often called the sunshine vitamin. Despite this seemingly easy source, vitamin D deficiency is incredibly common worldwide, affecting an estimated 1 billion people. This is a major concern because vitamin D acts more like a hormone than a vitamin, influencing a vast number of processes in the body. The classic role is in bone health. It's absolutely essential for calcium absorption. You can consume all the calcium you want, but without sufficient vitamin D, your body can't effectively absorb it to incorporate into your bones. But vitamin D goes far beyond bones. There are receptors on cells throughout the body, including immune cells. It helps calm overactive immune responses while strengthening pathogen defense, which is why maintaining healthy levels is important for staying resilient. Why are so many deficient? Limited sun exposure, sunscreen use, darker skin tones requiring more sun, and very few foods naturally rich in vitamin D. This makes supplementation often necessary. So there you have it, the foundational 3. A multivitamin for your nutritional baseline, omega-3s for your heart and brain, and vitamin D for your bones and immune system. However, and this is the most important takeaway, please do not start any supplement regimen without first talking to your doctor. Your health is unique, and a healthcare professional can assess your needs and recommend the right supplements for you. Thank you for investing this time in your health. If you found this helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more evidence-based health content. I'd love to hear from you in the comments. Do you take any of these supplements? Stay safe, be well, and I'll see you in the next one.